Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies tasty. First, always start with fresh, high-quality ingredients like real butter and good vanilla extract. They make a huge difference. Next, chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes or even overnight deepens the flavors and prevents spreading. Remember not to overmix the dough after adding flour, as this can lead to tough cookies. Finally, bake them just until the edges are golden brown for that perfect chewiness. The right ingredients and their ratios are crucial for delicious cookies. Opt for unsalted butter so you can control the salt content precisely. Brown sugar, in combination with granulated sugar, provides a wonderful chewiness and depth of flavor. A balanced mix of baking soda and baking powder helps achieve the perfect rise and texture. Don't forget a small pinch of salt. It enhances all the other flavors beautifully, preventing an overly sweet result. Proper dough preparation is key to achieving that irresistible cookie texture. Begin by creaming your softened butter and sugars together until the mixture is light and fluffy, incorporating plenty of air. Add eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. When adding dry ingredients, mix only until just combined. Overworking the dough develops gluten, leading to tough cookies. Chilling the dough also allows flavors to meld and prevents excessive spreading during baking. The final steps in baking are just as important for tasty cookies. Always preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for consistent results. Using parchment paper on your baking sheets ensures even baking and prevents sticking. Bake your cookies for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to finish cooling completely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.